Have you ever noticed how your feed already feels so fake? TikToks that are staged, and we all know reality TV isn't real. Video games where nothing actually exists in the real world. Now, apps like Meta Vibes and video models like OpenAI's new Sora 2 that was released 2 days ago are pushing this even further. Feeds that are filled entirely with AI-generated clips. People who never lived. Moments that never happened. So the question is, if our feeds are already curated unreality, is that a word? Does it really matter when they become fully artificial? Today we're going to look at this idea of what's the difference that makes the difference with fully generated AI feeds versus what we have today. So come along.
So we've already accepted fake as entertainment. Look at this whole new culture of Gen Zs or Gen X, whatever, this term brain rot, where I'll put it over here, they're just watching stuff to keep the brain, that little spark of dopamine. That was great sound effect. And I am also I fall victim to this. I love reality TV. Spoiler, it feels like I get to know people, this weird parasocial relationship that I find quite intoxicating, that I'm embarrassed to admit, to be honest. TikToks all choreographed to the same songs. And even when you do get, I'm gonna get rid of this brain rot, but even when you do get your friends' vacation pictures on Facebook or Instagram, they're all edited. And don't get me started about video games. That is a great world that many people find a lot of fun and pleasure in. But this reality does not exist. I guess the people they speak to do, but the world does not. So what's really different here when your your social media feed is now filled with meta vibes or completely AI generated content with your friend's caricature that looks so real is now playing baseball on the moon, eating spaghetti? What's the difference that makes the difference here? The eerie shift is that this content has no human anchor. Reality TV might be exaggerated and TikTok's heavily curated, but they start with real people and real world inspiration, I guess. You can always imagine yourself in their shoes, feel a trace of recognition or even this envy to be like them. But with Meta Vibes or Sora 2 clips, there's no you that you can see yourself living inside them because it's all made up. No one ever lived those moments and exaggerated them. They're all pure simulation. And if you can't project yourself into what you're watching, what's left besides scrolling through noise? The danger isn't just that AI videos are fake. Everything online is, at some point, kind of fake. The danger is that they erase human possibility. When a feed is made up of videos generated by no one, for no one, the mirror is gone. You're no longer seeing exaggerated versions of your life or what your life could be. You're seeing life without people, without realness, without lived experience. So, what happens to us when our main window into the world doesn't reflect any type of version of ourselves? Over time, this could hollow out what content even means. A feed of Sora 2 clips or meta vibes is like a video game with no controller, but there's no way in. And I guess that's the quiet cost. Entertainment that entertains no one because it doesn't belong to anyone. Or maybe entertainment that entertains everyone because the real world is becoming scary, more difficult, annoying. I don't know. Insert horrible thing here where we choose to be entertained by things that are made up. Anyway, and by I mean me and my sister are going to go to a bingo night tonight. I wonder how many 80-year-olds are going to be there, but it should be an entertaining Friday night. Credit was Sora too. McDonald's.
It was pretty good.
Is that plot dead, bruh? Thank you. Thank you. What are we doing? So then they say the numbers here. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I don't know how we got ourselves into this situation, but I don't know how it. Oh, good evening. I hope you enjoyed our game of bingo. Jenna's company organized it, and I got a +1. Sorry, I got a +1 invite. I've never played bingo before, so it was fun. None of us won anything, but there were some very cool prizes. But anyway, this is important. Oh, thought experiment, different location. This is Jenna's house. Thought experiment time. What if your feed was like an endless game of bingo? Numbers being called, patterns filling up the card, but your number was never in play. That unsettling truth of AI generated feeds. They keep rolling, but they'll never actually call you. Yo, I think I stretched this one a little bit, but you have to forgive me. It is 1:15 at the moment. I'll show you. 1:15 in the morning, so my brain is a bit tired, and yeah, the bingo was a lot, especially because it was in Dutch. So I had to think very hard this evening about numbers, because if you got it wrong, you would have to sing a song in front of everyone. And I was planning on singing Shosholoza, but I didn't even get the opportunity to say bingo. So anyway, we'll see what we get up to tomorrow on the weekend. It'll probably be a small snippet vlog, but thanks for coming along today. Bit of a different one. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.